Direct replacement. This tail light socket is designed to match the fit and function of the original socket on specified vehicles. Ideal solution. This socket is a reliable replacement for an original socket that is missing, failed or corroded due to water or debris infiltration. Durable construction. This socket is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This tail light socket is designed to match the fit and function of the original socket on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Good price, excellent quality. These are for rear tail light assembly, 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee with 3 sockets on each side. The seller limits you only purchasing 4. That was quite odd. They were $4 less expensive than the same Dorman sockets at the big box auto parts stores. Arrived 1 day early. The factory Mopar sockets notoriously go bad, turn brown and metal bulb contacts lose their integrity. I always used electric grease on the bulb contacts and the yellow rubbery seal on the socket for easier install and removal in the future. Socket can only go in one way, so align the short and long plastic protrusions accordingly.